Hello, Namaste. Today we are learning some animals and their homes. Before start, I want to say please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Let's start. Dog. Dog live in kennel. Cows. Cows live in shed. Rabbit. Rabbit live in burrow. Fish. Fish live in water. Lion. Lion live in den. Horse. Horse live in stable. Tiger. Tiger live in cave. Monkey. Monkey live in trees. Elephant. Elephant live in forest. Owl. Owl live in hollow. Rat. Rat live in hole. Sheep. Sheep live in pen. Birds. Birds live in nest. Honeybees. Honeybees live in hive.